Sony finally announces PS5 India launch date. Check out the details here. The previous year was an important one for console gamers. Both Sony and Microsoft launched their next-gen consoles, PS5 and Xbox Series X respectively. Though the PS5 launched globally in November 2020, it did not make its way to India at the same time due to a silly trademark goof-up. Well, with the dawn of the new year, Sony seems to have sorted out the issue and confirmed the PS5 India launch date today. PlayStation 5, PS5, India launch date. In an official tweet from the PlayStation India account, Sony has confirmed that the PS5 will finally go on sale in India starting from February 2, 2021. Eager buyers will be able to pre-order the PS5 from January 12 at 12 p.m. across all major online and offline retailers. As you can see in the tweet, you will be able to pre-order a PS5 at Amazon, Flipkart, Chroma, Reliance Digital, Game the Shop, Shop at Sony Center, VJ Sales, and other retailers. If you do not already know, the PlayStation India launch was delayed as the company did not hold the PS5 trademark in the country. As per reports, a Delhi resident named Hitesh Aswani filed to trademark the PS5 moniker on October 29, 2019, about 3 months before Sony's application. The company appears to have ironed out this issue at last. It is now gearing up to launch its next-gen console in India close to 3 months after its global launch. PlayStation 5 and accessories India price. Though Sony did not have a trademark nor a launch date in sight, it still went ahead to confirm the India prices of the PlayStation 5. The PlayStation 5 has been priced at 49,990 rupees in India. But if you do not plan on buying game discs and exchanging them with friends, then go for the more affordable, digital edition of the PS5. It will retail at 39,990 rupees in India. As for the new DualSense controller, it has been priced at 5,990 rupees in India. It now features a clean white aesthetic, a new adaptive L2 and R2 trigger system, a built-in microphone, and a USB Type-C port for charging. So yeah, if you have been waiting to game on the next-gen PlayStation 5, be ready to pre-order on January 12th. Sony hasn't revealed the quantities available for sale. But we assume it will be sparse, so you will have to be swift to be among the first few PS5 buyers in India.